Hey, if you want to add or for example remove this lock screen widgets on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, first of all you have to go into the home screen and click and hold with your finger on the empty space, and then select the wallpaper and the style on the left bottom corner. Now from this you have to click on the lock screen, and right now we have to click on this widgets. Now if you want to remove them, you have to just click on this minus, and from this, if you want to add new widgets, for example the weather widget, like we can get maybe the moon phases, maybe we can add the reminders, or maybe this one, this actually looks better. And let's get the battery info about the status. There we go. Now we have to click done in the right upper corner to finish, and as you can see from this, we've got our widgets. We can quickly access to some options. And that's how it looks. Right now please subscribe to my channel.